Hello everyone, it's Jandon. Welcome to our first assignment in color theory, but please refer to the assignment sheet for more details. This is a brief introduction. So let's start with the Gerda Alber's color triangle exercise. Color exercises are the best way for you to develop a discriminating eye for color. To see color, you need to look at color. Examine the color aid papers and become familiar with how the colors are organized. Refer to the booklet and the color terms sheet. Use color aid paper to create an equal interval triangle that contains 3 primaries, 3 secondaries, and 3 tertiaries. Choose colors to create the illusion that each is an in-between color mix. There isn't an exact formula for this. It's about using your eye to look at the papers and imagine what colors they would be if you were mixing paints. Try looking at the color aid papers under different lights. Incandescent, fluorescent, natural. 3-inch equilateral triangles will work well for this assignment. You may construct your triangle using either pure hues, tints, tones, or shades. Glue the triangles in your sketchbook and submit a photo to Schoology. The color triangle exercise is due on Monday, August the 31st by 2 o'clock. Also due on Monday, August the 31st is the discussion. To broaden our appreciation for how colors impact the world, the Cooper-Hewitt exhibit Saturated explored what they called the phenomenon of color perception and how it has captivated artists and designers and scientists and sages. Read and listen to several pieces from the blog series on their website. Select a piece to comment on in the Schoology discussion. Include screenshots of your favorite objects, and then read and comment on posts by other students. The color information graphic assignment. Since you're studying color diagrams in your color design workbook and the light and color PDF, and links in the black resources folder, this is a perfect opportunity for you to research and design an infographic of your own choosing. You could examine a color theory, a color phenomenon, or other subject of interest. Some suggestions. A unique representation of Munsell's properties of color, hue, value, chroma, a color wheel. Check out some creative color wheels on Pinterest. They have some really cool color quilts. You could do an explanation of a scientific fact about color, about the interpretation of color. So whatever interests you. How about an infographic on the 10 rules of color from your book? This is a beginning sketch of that concept. You also might get some ideas from the cool retro graphics that are in that Golden Guide Light and Color PDF. Your infographic will be a tabloid poster or a scrollable graphic. Create your infographic digitally, or you may use traditional art materials. The creative process is the same. First research, then sketches in the sketchbook, refine to the final presentation, and then the reflection. So here are some examples of color infographics done by past students. These examples are included to show you the breadth of work, the subjects that they came up with to pursue. They are not meant to imply that this is what you should do. I'll be looking for original concepts and original design. So submit your work in progress, either hand or digital files, to the work in progress assignment and media album on Monday, September 14th to discuss in our 2 o'clock Zoom. Final presentation, you'll record a short video presentation, 2 minutes, of you showing and talking about your final infographic, your creative process. Reflection questions suggest things that you could discuss in this little presentation. Submit to the final presentation before our 2 o'clock Zoom on Monday, September the 14th. Final critique. Submit a PDF or a photo of your final infographic to the final critique assignment and media album prior to 2 o'clock. And we will have a Zoom meeting that day on Monday the 21st. Final critique. Submit a PDF or photo of your final infographic to the final critique assignment and media album prior to our 2 o'clock Zoom meeting on Monday, September 21st. This is your final opportunity to give and receive constructive feedback. Final file. Submit the final files in the original file format or a photo of your handwork to final work on Monday, September the 21st. You may make revisions to the work from suggestions that you received in the critique. And then reflection. Download the ART230 reflection PDF. Open it in Adobe Acrobat and answer the questions in the editable fields. Then save it and submit it to the reflection folder in Schoology. And don't forget the required reading. Take notes on the reading in your book, and then photograph those notes and submit them in Schoology under required reading. You may use the notes, you may take notes from that book, the free book that we found on the electronic library. So, as always, I hope you stay safe, stay well, and colorful. See you next time. Bye.